Hi, my name is Alex, and today I'm gonna talk about Dave's Garden website. This website is for people who want to chat with gardeners, check out active forums, or identify plants, birds, and all sort of things. So let's begin. First of all, check out in the navigation menu in the top of the screen. You can check guide and information. So you have all files about plants, birds and bugs. You can read articles, check out botany, gardenology, etc. So first of all, let's check out the database of the plants. Click on plants file, and you have some plants. So if you click on iris, you can check this description, and you can choose from different iris. So let's choose tall beard iris. So you have its types, its height, its conditions. You can trade it from 66 traders and buy it from 6 vendors, and you can like it and review it. And if you check out bug files or bird files, it's the same thing. You write a bug name, and you have a description of it and what its type and what its family, where he lives, etc., etc. And it's the same things with the bird file. But if you want to read some good article about gardening, trees, plants, birds, etc., you just click on articles, and you have a grapefruit trees article, bitter dogs article, like wildlife to your yard article, and etc. The botany in the navigation menu, the botany clickable. It's a botanical dictionary, like it's written right here. So you write a word you don't know in the botanical sphere, and you have its description. The gardenology is almost the same concept as the dictionary, but with terms and concepts. So if you don't know terms and concepts of biology or garden, you go in gardenology and you have sometimes and terms, terms. If you want to know more about insects, you go in the Insectipedia in the navigation menu, and you can scroll down a little, and you can search by name an insect on a keyword, and you're gonna know about this insect some information. After that, if you want to check out some nice video, click on video, scroll down, and you have some nice video about useful things like how to use these household items to get rid of weeds, or save some green by regrowing green onion in the water, etc. It's some tips and tricks, and that's it. Here it's the freeze and frost date. So, like the name, you type your city, and you have some frost date, eventual frost date. So write your city, and you have frost date. So in Clinton County, in New York, check out all these frost dates. So after that, you can check out the communities in the navigation menu. So the communities, you can discuss in forums, you can trade your plants and seeds, you can check out blogs, garden blogs, you can check out journals, etc. After that, you can go in Garden Showcase to check out some really nice garden around the world, but you can create your own garden showcase. Take picture and put it on your blog or on the website, and you have beautiful garden. After that, you can check your products and sources. So you check out this in the Garden Watchdog, Plant Scout, Classify Hub. You have all this in the product. So about the gardening product and source, the information is all here. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.